Hi, this is Jana. Welcome to my kitchen. Today it's about fast lunches, affordable lunches, cheap lunches. What do you eat when there's nothing to eat in the house? Okay, so I inventoried what I have, and this is what I'm going to make is a simple egg salad. I have 2 hard-boiled eggs, and if you don't know how to make hard-boiled eggs, I have an entire video on how to make a hard-boiled egg. And Erin will link it in the description box below this video, okay? It is on my YouTube channel and it's super fast, super easy. And if you don't have time to do that, you know what? You can break eggs, don't leave them in the shell. Put them in a cup, coffee cup, put them in in a bowl in the microwave, okay? And then cook them for like 30 seconds, just until there's nothing soft left in them. And then let them cool. But this is super, super fast. A dozen eggs, even though the prices are still up a little bit, it's still a very affordable protein. Great food source. So just chop them as finely or as chunky as you like your egg salad. Just like this. I kind of like mine mid-chunky. Put them in a bowl. There. At this point in time, if you want to, you can add, I'm going to rinse my hand off here. It's a little mushy here. My towel, muscle up my sleeve. The old cartoon used to say. And so there's my chopped up eggs. And at this point in time, you can do a couple of things. I have some yellow mustard. I'm going to put in just a couple of drops. That's my preference. I'm going to put in just a sprinkle of sugar, just a tiny sprinkle. I'm going to put in some Nature's seasoning, which is, of course, one of my favorite seasonings. I'm going to put in a little bit of pickle relish, because I've got it and I like it. Not a lot in my egg salad, but a little. I'm going to put in just a tiny pinch of salt. Now, this is personal preference. If you like yours sweeter, use a salad dressing like Miracle Whip. If you like yours normal, then you can have mayonnaise, your favorite mayonnaise, whatever it is. Down here in the South, we loved ourselves some Dukes. I know when I lived over in the Mississippi Delta, they liked, that might have been too much. You don't want to put too much in. I'm going to set that over here on my napkin just in case I want to stir it more. I was thinking potato salad. And so then you just stir it up, just like this. And your lunch is ready. How fast is that? Hard-boiled eggs have so many good things to say about them. You can use them for so many things. Eggs are just a really wonderful, wonderful. I'm going to taste it, see if I need to adjust it. You can put in minced onion. You can put in green onion. I'm going to add just a tiny bit of sugar, tiny bit. Taste it again, because this is just for me, so I don't have to worry about anybody else. A little bit more. Or you could put in half and half, half Miracle Whip, half mayonnaise. Just like that, okay? Now, clean up my space here. Wipe off my hand. I found an day-old bun from Left Hamburger Sandwiches earlier this week. Just like that. Or you can eat it just out of the bowl. It's perfect. Put in some lettuce for me. And there is an egg salad sandwich. And how fast is that? I don't know, but I will tell you what, it was a fast lunch. And there's my egg salad. Thank you for stopping by Jana's Kitchen. Enjoy your affordable leftover fridge clean out lunch.